New build blank empty gardens can be quite daunting. So where do you start? What do we think about? There are so many decisions to make. Well, actually, there's only one. And the one decision that you need to make or understand is what is the garden going to deliver to you so that you can live the life you want to in that space. If we focus on design too much, you end up fitting into the garden shape, and actually it's the other way round. The garden has to evolve around your needs. Now, in this instance, the main need for the garden was for the owners of this space to be able to walk around and to sit out under a covered patio, but to use the whole of the space to walk around in. They wanted a journey. So when you're starting to conceptualize ideas, throw in lots of different shapes, lots of different styles. Be bold to start with. It's easy to pare things back if they don't work. But consider when you're using a space, what you would look out on. Would you want to walk through here? What would encourage you to walk into the garden? Where's the best place for the patio? If you had borders, do you want to look through them? Do you want to walk through them? Do you want to feel surrounded by them? Try different shapes and again keep asking questions. If we keep the patio the same, would this shape work? Does it feel good? Would we like to walk around? What is interesting about this space? How would we get to the patio? And all of this helps you narrow down the real needs and wants that you have. So things got simplified. The patio stayed the same, the existing paths, but they wanted a bigger patio. They liked red, so we could introduce some of that in. But the main thing was we want to walk through the garden to get to the seating area. So this then formulates the design you know is going to work with your wants, needs, and desires and aspirations. So in the sense here, you can see we've put the planting in, there's colour, and then when the garden actually did get built, you can see how people are going to walk through the space to get to their seating area. And the garden fits you. You don't fit the garden design. If you'd like some specific design advice or help for your garden, we offer a brilliant video consultation service. Simply book your call at plantplots.com, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.